In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the price in WooCommerce. Whether you're running a special promotion, building anticipation, or simply not ready to show your prices yet, this is a handy trick to have up your sleeve. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to conceal the pricing information on your WooCommerce products. First off, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access the main control panel. This dashboard is where you'll manage everything related to your WordPress site, from site settings and plugins to themes and appearance. Once you're at the dashboard, look for the menu on the left-hand side. This is your hub for navigating through various WordPress options. From here, you'll want to venture into the Appearance section. Simply click on Appearance, and you'll be presented with additional choices. Now under Appearance, select Customize. This brings you into the WordPress Customizer. It's a powerful feature that allows you to modify the design and layout of your site in real time, giving you the flexibility to see changes before they go live. Once you're inside the Customizer, keep an eye out for the additional CSS option. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is a style sheet language used to dictate how the elements of a web page should be displayed. Clicking on Additional CSS will open up a text box where you can input custom styling rules. This text box is where the magic happens. You'll be pasting a specific code snippet designed to hide the price on your WooCommerce products. If you're unsure about where to find the exact code, a quick online search or a visit to WooCommerce forums can easily guide you. Copy your CSS code carefully, ensuring there are no errors or extra spaces, as these could affect how the code functions. Once you've got your CSS code copied, return to the WordPress Customizer and paste it into the additional CSS box. As soon as you do, you'll be able to see the result in the live preview panel on the right. Make sure it looks correct. Check your product pages to ensure the price is indeed hidden. This step allows you to verify everything's working as intended. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Just hit the Publish button at the top of the Customizer. This action commits the changes and makes them visible to your site's visitors. And that's it. With these few steps, you've successfully hidden the price on your WooCommerce products. This technique can be particularly useful in various scenarios, such as communicating with customer support representatives or doing more advanced customizations later on. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Keep exploring and enhancing your site to suit your needs and those of your audience.